Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some beginner patterns, that is how to single crochet, and we're going to require a crochet hook. We're also going to require some scissors and yarn. So we are just going to start by making a slip knot. When you're done making a slip knot, you're just going to insert your hook, then start making chains. You're just going to yarn over, pull through that loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. That's simple. So you're just going to make as long as you want, because we're not going to measure. You're just going to do some practice so that you can understand how to single crochet. You are going to hold the last chain that you made, then make one more chain. You're just going to insert your hook inside the chain that you are holding, pull through the loop, then yarn over, pull through both loops. So you're just going to insert the hook in the next chain, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. So that's how you're going to do the single crochet. You're just going to follow the same pattern. I'm going to do it slow so that you can understand. Continue making the single crochet until the last chain, so that I can show you how to continue with the second row. Now we are done with the first row, and that's how the single crochet looks like. So for the second row, you're just going to make one chain, then turn your work and start making single crochet the same way we started making them. you're just going to chain 1 at the end of the row, then chop off the yarn, then pull through that loop, and we are done with our single crochets. For you to understand, you're just going to do it multiple times.